Hallo, da skal jeg prøve å synge. Ok, jeg skal prøve å synge Pray av Justin Bieber. Jeg elsker den, den er skikkelig fin. Men som sagt, jeg er ganske syk nå, sånn forkjølet og sånn. Litt feber kanskje, men sammen det, jeg har krefter til å synge, så skal vi se hvor lenge det varer. Men uansett, jeg kan ikke hele sangen, så jeg bare synger det jeg klarer, og så bare stopper jeg. Og så blir det ikke så bra da, siden jeg er helt fucket. Men det går bra. Så bare enjoy, og så er det sånn, ja, ok, da starter jeg. Just can't sleep tonight, knowing that things ain't right. It's on the papers, it's on the TV, it's anywhere that I go. I chill and crying, it's others dying, some people don't have a home. I know that sunshine behind the rain, I know that's good times behind the pain. Can't tell me how to make a change. I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and pray. I close my eyes and I can see a better day. Father, I close my eyes and pray. I lose my appetite, knowing that it's safe tonight. And when I set up, I got a big plan, you know, still on my place. I got a vision to make a difference. It started today. I know that sunshine behind the rain. I know there's good times behind the pain. I'm telling how to make a change. I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and pray. I close my eyes and I can see a better day. I close my eyes and I pray. Ja, veldig bra. Men vi snakkes. Ha det bra. Det kommer forresten sminkevideo i kveld, så hvis